And this one away cleanly. That was Aaron Brown with a nice start in 3. Seville in the middle of the track. Can he now emerge? He's going to go to the line and take the victory here.
Since the retirement of Usain Bolt in 2017, track and field fans have been wondering who would have taken up the mantle for the Jamaican male sprinters. 5 years later in 2022, the world was able to witness 2 young men, both under the age of 25, run personal best times of 9.86 seconds and 9.93 seconds. Those young men were Oblique Seville and Ackeem Blake, after both athletes placed 2nd and 3rd respectively at the Jamaican National Championships. The world has been buzzing to see their performances for the 2023 season. Both Seville and Blake were able to meet at the 2023 Gibson McCook Relays in the 60 meters, where both of them ran an unofficial world outdoor record of 6.45 seconds, with Blake being given the win. Both athletes were eager to meet each other again, but over the 100 meters. The 2023 Marimar Invitational afforded them to meet over the 100 meters for the first time this season. Oblique Seville was able to win his semi-final with the season's best of 9.95 seconds with a 1.8 meters per second wind, while Ackeem Blake was able to win his semi-final in 10.05 seconds with a 2.8 meters per second wind, which would not have counted for record purposes because it is over the allowable 2 meters per second. The field was set for the Jamaican athletes to face each other. Oblique Seville was in lane 5 and Ackeem Blake was in lane 6. Both Seville and Blake were off to blasting starts. Seville at the edge, but Blake was inching nearer to him. In the end, Seville was able to cross the line in 9.91 seconds with a 2.2 meters per second wind, which would be deemed illegal for record purposes. Ackeem Blake was second in 9.93 seconds, and the 2022 Eugene World Championship 4x100 meters relay gold medalist Aaron Brown of Canada was third in 9.97 seconds. The 2023 season should bring some more fiery clashes from our Caribbean men, and fans should hope to see them on the medal podium for the men's 100 meters at the Budapest World Championships later this August. Which of these 2 promising athletes are you rooting for? And what do you expect from them during this 2023 track and field season? Ackeem Blake or Oblique Seville? Let us know your thoughts below. We look forward to hearing from you. If you are getting value from this presentation, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our next video. Thank you.